At the bottom for the ocean. Rock your body. At the bottom.
Welcome to the 25th Let's Make a Difference Youth
Arshad Thakre, very hardworking man. He is one of the, like Adnan, like Mudit. Arshad is also the backbone of this conference.
जर्नी के लिए पहला कदम तो बनना है. And when I embarked on this journey of quiet time, I was scared. I was nervous. I was waiting. I was trying to see things within me which I didn't want to see. मुझे डर लगा. जैसे मैंने कल बताया आप लोगों को कि जब मेरे दोस्त 25 साल पहले मेरा हाथ पकड़ा और बाहर में अपना क्वाइट टाइम कर रहा और उन्होंने मुझे पूछा कि क्या तुम तुम्हारी जिंदगी को इस 4 सिद्धांतों के साथ जोड़ सकते हो? क्या मैं अंदर से हैप्पी? क्या मैं अंदर से खुश हूँ? क्या मैं अपने भीतर से जो मैसेज आता है, क्या मैं उस मार्ग के ऊपर चल के जीता हूँ? आज मेरे लिए यही है. इट इज अ जर्नी. और एक जर्नी एक मनुष्य की नहीं होती. एक जर्नी एक आत्मा की, एक कॉन्शियस की. The body will perish, but the soul will move on. 99% people in their quiet time, they think. But what we need to do in our quiet time is listen. There is a difference between thinking and listening. Listening is listening to your conscious, that little inner voice. But when you go to your conscious, it's the entire universe which is available. So that is why the morning discipline quiet time is very important. And you will see by your own self that this discipline quiet time will definitely take you on a path of evolution. The morning process is all about quiet time, inner listening, conscious time. And I'm very confident with my experience of so many years that I will deliver the message of inner listening, and I will see to it that each one of you will find that eureka moment in your life when you will get connected to your little small conscious inside. इसमें कोई मिलावट नहीं, इसमें कोई कमजोरी नहीं. इसका जो ढांचा जो बनाया है उसको सही मायने में सींचा है ये 4 सिद्धांतों से और अपने सुबह के क्वाइट टाइम. इसीलिए इतने लोग आते हैं और जुड़ते हैं क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं सुनने वाले को भी ये एहसास होता है, अंदर से तो पता चल जाता है. आदमी अपने कुछ भी बात बोल सकता है पर अंदर से तो पता चल ही जाता है कि व्यक्ति किस प्रकार. तो एनलाइट का ढांचा भी एक सही मायने में पवित्रता से बनाया.
Ugly people be quiet. That's right, y'all.
Yeah, check it out. Yeah. It's the L to the M-A-D. It's the L to the M-A-D. It's the L to the M-A-D, to the M-A-D, to the M-A-D, yeah. We're building trust, there's no more division. Let's do this together cause we share the same vision. We're the same, let's all make a difference. To make a change, we really need to listen. We're building trust, there's no more division. Let's do this together cause we share the same vision. We're the same, let's all make a difference. To make a change, we really need to listen. Just go for it, do the best that you can. Let's all believe, give a helping hand. For every culture we wanna reach. As long as we are one, we can learn and teach. And the beauty of life brings peace. Where did you come from, the west or the east? How much do you have, the most or the least? It doesn't matter at the end of the day. Oh please, give back to the folks and listen to my speech. Everything I feel for the world is really so deep. Whether you have everything or living in the streets, LMAD is bumping on these beats, yeah.
In the future, I will live in a country of my own making. I do not concede that 30 years from now, I will be celebrating the 10th anniversary of my divorce.
Know my priorities. My employer will know my priorities.
Money will not make me happy.
Money will not make me happy.
My work is more important than
My work is more important than my family. I will live in a country of my own making. One more. I'm sorry? There is hope.
Women standing equal next to men, hand in hand, shoulder to shoulder. I don't think you all deserve any 30% quota. You all are equal, an equal part of the society. The reason why I have given this small little token of remembrance of this 25th LMAD conference is that it is very beautifully done. A work of this nature is generally created by a lady, by a woman. And on the other side, your favorite, the mirror.
I was about 10 years old. I had dreams and aspirations to be a doctor. The reason? Well, honestly, I just liked seeing heart surgery on television. And I just wanted to do that. But more than that, I wanted to help people. I wanted to do something for society. I wanted to contribute. And I wanted to be that impact in someone's life, cause an impact. So in a total, I was declared dead 3 times. On the 21st of September, the doctors had a meeting with my parents and they said that Virali nahi bachegi. I told my mom, ki Mama, you saved us from committing a sin. Your daughter has survived because of your faith in Allah. Hi everybody, and somewhere around my 3rd year was the first time I met this girl whom I liked, and all this while, all these girls became my best friends, okay? And I would say I love you to them also, they would say I love you back, but they didn't know mera I love you kaunsa wala I love you. I went into this like poetic stuff for these women who have not got it, what is happening. And my sister's name is Rupa. So Rupa sun rahi hai, for many days she heard it. And one day when the lights were completely off, she just told me, Sonal, why do you talk about this girl so much? Are you a lesbian? And she laughed, okay, like she laughed. And it was all dark, right? So she could see my expression. But I realized that whatever it is that I'm feeling is something that's going to be laughed on.
The flag cannot be used as a tablecloth or a pillow. Punishment if these rules are not followed.
This was my family. This was my relationship. इसके वजह से कई दोस्त भी छूट गए, पर बाहर एक अच्छी पर्सनैलिटी थी, तो नए नए दोस्त भी बनते थे. This is a beautiful flower bouquet. This is what was my approach, that I always wanted to look good from outside. The flowers are something which we all love it. What we are is only known to us. Our family doesn't know. The success may be measured by people outside, but you only know what you are inside. इसमें और कोई नहीं आ सकता. दुख भी तुम्हारा, सुख भी तुम्हारा, संघर्ष भी तुम्हारा, आक्रोश भी तुम्हारा, सब. इसमें कोई साथ नहीं. वो स्वयं तुम्हें ही उससे गुजरना पड़ता है और जाना. इच्छा बहुत हो रही थी. शांत समय एक प्रभावित हो रहा था. वो क्षण आ रहा था कि जाकर देखो तो सही अंदर क्या है, पर ये ईगो मुझे कमजोर कर रहा है. Mind plays a dual role. Your mind will definitely support you if you want to go within. But if your mind, when listens to conscious, you will go on an inward journey. But if your mind connives with your ego, then you will go on a journey on which I was already there 25 years ago. मैंने अपने दोस्त के घर में छोटी सी चोरी करी. तो जब इस गंदे पानी के अंदर जाता हूं तो ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. अभी जब मैंने हाथ डाला तो मेरे हाथ में एक छोटा सा कांटा चुभा. वो कांटा मेरे लिए जेलसी. So you have to move. Your transition has to be from this to this. It is not in my hand. It is in your hand. The role that I am going to play in these 8 days is to inspire you, is to take you on this journey.
So I'm really confused because I came to take a break from my family and here I am missing my family. So I'm just doing the opposite of what I came here to do.
I think I'm that jar because I have the harsh and bitter tongue. जार में बुरी चीजें हैं, उसके साथ थोड़ी बहुत अच्छी चीजें भी हैं.
It is outward as well as inward for creating a very good concentration. And those who have evolved on the path of concentration, they may sit anywhere they want.
My name is Pradeep Lokhande. Name of my organization is Rural Relations. It looks like an NGO, but it is through and through professional organization. And I am in this passion for last 23 years. Academically, I am zero, so don't go by my English. You can have fun of that while having coffee. But why I am standing in front of you? Because I have seen more than 6,700 villages of the country. There are 85,000 villages. The information of the 85 villages is between 5% 85%, and these 85,000 villages cater to 4,90,000 villages of the country. And that information is free of cost. Nothing is mandatory, not even a mobile number or an email ID. So the basic thought of my organization is connecting two dots.
जब awareness आती है, that is when we realize that we lack concentration. We cannot focus ourselves on the book. We can go to the doctor. We can take medicine, whether it is a toothache, eye, stomach pain, whatever it is. There is a external help available. You can visit any of these places for help. But for lack of concentration, there is no tablet. You agree? Yes. There is no tablet. It's only awareness that I have come to know that I lack concentration. I cannot be present in the class or whatever task that I am doing, I am not present over there. Pillar of the family is mother. You know, the first word that a child speaks when the child learns to speak is mother, is mom. That family is of phenomenal significance. कि परिवार की क्या अहमियत है और परिवार नहीं होने से उसकी क्या I told my Bab that you wait for me. I was very shattered and I looked at God that you know what I am doing over here. मैं कोई छुट्टी मनाने नहीं आया हूँ, ना मैं कोई यहाँ अपने दोस्तों के साथ मजे कर रहा हूँ. I had come to run a program and I had a full house like this. And I told my mother with a very heavy heart, I will not come. I've always stayed in room number 3. I went to room number 3. I was crying. I was with myself. I was crying because I remembered the entire my life with my Bab. Because she meant so much to me. And now I am getting the news that my mother said that she's almost gone. कोई ऐसी तरकीब ना सोचिए जिसके कारण से आप आपके माता पिता से दूर हो जाए. जिन्होंने खोया है उन्हें पता है कि वो क्या. इसलिए मैं चाहूंगा कि आज का ये दिन है, ये परिवार के साथ जुड़ने का दिन.
Called my sister. उसके पास ऐसा न्यूज़ आया था that my dad is serious and they are taking him to the hospital. When I arrived, my mom was in such a pathetic condition that I had no words to say. Sure कि there is something big going on. By the time I get home, मेरा पूरा family उधर था. My father had a serious heart attack and they have shifted him to the hospital. Because the day it accepts, I know what my mental condition would be.
balloons have a significance. We'll start with the red balloon.
It's about the broken relations. Like sir already described, I can put my and my brother's relationship in a blue.
What is bliss? White is my bar. No ego. कुछ भी बोलो, कुछ भी कहो, एक इतना lovely, beautiful, love वाला relation होता है. So this is the most important thing. Some of you have taken 6 years, 7 years to achieve this marble. And the moment you fail, तुम्हारी सारी मेहनत मिट्टी में मिली. कहीं जो आज आपने एक नेगेटिव बैड क्वालिटी को जला दिया है, कहीं छोटे से हैंडराइटिंग में लिख कर कि आपने इसको जलाया है, आपने इसको एंड दिया है. Now you don't need this thing back. You have come to this very beautiful place which is full of positivity, energy, great learning, great teaching. You have given it back to the soil of this place. So don't bring it back into you once you go back to your routine. This is your certificate that you hold, which you are receiving as the finest participant of the December workshop. And with that, there is a small little token of love from the entire event. Thank you. Announcing the names of the star performer of this conference. The first name I announce is Sai Deshmukh. A small little token of love. And I feel so nice that I'm giving this to Sai. Because in 1996, 97 and 98, if I'm not mistaken, her mother was a participant. Kiran Ramchandani. मेरे बचपन के दिनों में मैंने जितनी गोटी खेली है, आज मैं किसी बच्चे को गोटी खेलते नहीं देखता. ये जो गोटी आज मैंने यूज की थी, ये मेरी बचपन की जीती हुई गोटी है. Yes, I'm telling you, this is my marbles which I have earned. I was a champion in marbles. Social media?
Around 5 hours.
5 hours on social media, and how many hours on the entertainment?
No, it is included.
Including entertainment and social media is 5 hours.
Yeah.
कभी आपने ग्राउंड देखा है, मैदान कैसा दिखता है? देखा है? तुम्हारी बॉडी देख के लगा शायद तुमने नहीं देखा. Where do you live?
I study in Chennai.
You study in Chennai. You are Bombay but living in Chennai. Okay, fine. So stay in a hostel. So traveling time is very less, and the remaining 2 hours are utilized for your washing clothes and food and all those things. How much time for girlfriend? देता होगा, जरूर देता होगा. गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है. आजकल LGBT बहुत prominent है, boyfriend नहीं है.
Entertainment 2 to 3 hours. I study for 1 hour.
Oh my God!
I do that. Okay, traveling time 30 to 40 minutes, and daily routine it takes like almost 1 hour.
No, I think she's crossing 24 hours.
Ugly people be quiet. Take it down.
The first thing is I'm blessed with a very super strong team. They're very hardworking and totally dedicated team. Plus, for this huge crowd of 350 plus, I've managed to get extra help from some other sites of Sodexo from Pune and other regions. So that was the help supported to me by my site operations manager. I get to ask my guys to stretch for 1 hour extra before they start the shift, and similarly stretch another hour extra. We normally request, as in we have scheduled their 1.5 hours of break in between our post lunch, wherein they go back to their rooms and rest for a while. But since we have so much of crowd now, there's no chance that they can go back and rest even for half an hour. They just go, sit, talk and come back. So this is how we have to cope up with such a huge crowd now.
That's right, y'all.
And tonight is the night for you guys, for your talents. So can we have some voice in the house?
Yeah, check it out. Yeah. It's the L to the M-A-D. It's the L to the M-A-D to the M-A-D, yeah. We're building trust, there's no more division. Let's do this together cause we share the same vision. We're the same, let's all make a difference. To make a change, we really need to listen. We're building trust, there's no more division. Let's do this together cause we share the same vision. We're the same, let's all make a difference. To make a change, we really need to listen. If you can't find love, let me show you the way. I'm just myself at the end of the day. Get away from this world and the faster pace. I'm living the best life with a smile on my face. We're the same like every race. Be one with your people and live with grace. There's so much to do, but follow your pace. It's L-M-A-D, bumping on the bass, yeah. We're building trust, there's no more division. Let's do this together cause we share the same vision. We're the same, let's all make a difference. To make a change, we really need to listen. We're building trust, there's no more division. Let's do this together cause we share the same vision. We're the same, let's all make a difference. To make a change, we really need to listen. We're talking about L, we're talking about M, we're talking about A, we're talking about D, we're talking about you, we're talking about me, we're talking about us. It's time to be free, yeah. We're building trust, there's no more division. Let's do this together cause we share the same vision.
वाटलं तुम्ही एवढी सगळी जण आलाय आणि पहिल्यांदाच हे 400 कॉन्फरन्सचे जी माणसं तुम्ही आलाय, एवढा आनंद झालाय ना, जिकडे जावं तिकडे मुलांचाच आवाज. आता तुम्ही जर आता हे केलं तर सेंटर आम्हाला खाली वाटेल, आवाजच येणार नाही. थँक्यू, तुम्ही खूप खूप काम केलं वर्षामध्ये. भांडी धुतली ते काही आलेला नाही, आम्हाला पण बरं वाटलं होतं, आम्हाला मदत केली, त्याच्याबद्दल तुम्हाला थँक्यू.
लेट्स मेक अ डिफरेंस यूथ कॉन्फ्रेंस समाप्ति की ओर बढ़ रहा है कि ये जो 8 दिन का सफ़र आपका हमारे साथ था, ये एक यात्रा थी. मेरा आपको यही कहना है कि जब यहाँ से घर जाते हो वापस, तो ये जो भी कुछ आपने यहाँ सीखा है, यहाँ से आपने पाया है, कुछ नई खोज हुई है, ये सारी चीज़ें आप जाके अपने माता पिता के चरणों में इस बात को रख देना. ये इसलिए कहता हूँ क्योंकि ये मेरी 25 साल की तपस्या है और ये 25 साल का निचोड़ मैंने आप लोगों को दिया है.
Mm-hmm.